O is a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Now, let me think. There's something I'm forgetting.
Mr. Goose, you need to tell us the letter of the day.
That's it, Fox. That's what I had forgotten. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is O. O makes the sound ah in on. Fox, repeat after me. Ah, on.
On.
Now you try.
On.
Outstanding.
Mr. Goose, I'm going to tell everyone else what today's letter is.
While Fox does that, here are more things that begin with O.
Octopus. Octopus. Orange. Orange begins with O. Orange. On. On. Off. Off. Otter. Otter.
What letter do all these words start with?
O.
That's right, the letter O.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say O.
O.
All right, say it again.
O.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter O. Letter O. What's that letter? Letter O. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Octopus. Olives. Octagon. On. That's the letter O. Oh yeah. That's the letter O.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. O.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter O. Letter O. What's that letter? Hey everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
O!
What's this letter?
C!
What's this letter?
Q!
What's this letter?
G!
Now let's do it fast.
O! C! Q! G! Q! O! G! C! G! O! Q! C! O! Q! C! G!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter G!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Can Dress Myself. When Mommy isn't awake yet, this little girl decides to do things on her own. Let's begin. I Can Dress Myself. Story by Bridget Crone, words by Aaron Leonard, illustrated by Heidel Dedekind. It's morning. Time to get up. Looks like Mommy is still asleep. That's okay. I can dress myself. I'll need this. Oh, and these. Now, where are those? Next, I'll get these off and this on. Mommy, Mommy, look at me. I got dressed all by myself. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose!
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog!
Would you all like to play in a band?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Well, this song is all about singing and playing along. I'll sing first, and then you can join in. Here we go! I am the music man. I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the ukulele. Ukulele, 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 ukulele. What instrument shall we pick next?
Maracas!
Okay, when the time comes, pretend to shake your maracas. You too. I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play maracas. time comes, twinkle your fingers. Here we go.
I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the keyboard. Keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. Keyboard, keyboard. Mama, mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers. Uka, uka, ukulele, 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 ukulele.
Okay, let's add one more instrument.
How about bass? Electric bass.
Great choice. When the time comes, pretend to strum. Here we go.
I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play electric bass. Bass, bass, electric bass, electric bass, electric bass, 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 electric bass, bass, electric bass. Keyboard, 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 keyboard. Mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers, mama rockers. Uka, uka, ukulele, 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 ukulele.
We did it. Thanks for playing in the band with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
And thank you for playing along too.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumpkins. Now let's count apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many in all? 10? Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the butterflies. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So how many in all? 3! You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's go count all the crops growing on the farm. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
Hi there, Pig. I have a ball.
Hello, Fox. I've got a doll.
Hey! Ball, doll. Those words end with the same sound. Did you hear that?
Ball, doll. You're right. They do end with the same sound.
That means they rhyme. Here's some more words that rhyme. I see a cat sitting on a
Mat!
cat mat. They rhyme. This is a plane, and it's next to a
Train!
plane. Train. They rhyme. I see a tree. Not just one. I see
3!
tree, 3, they rhyme. You're good at this. Here's one more. Here's a bed. It's the color
Red!
That's right. Bed, red. They rhyme.
That was fun!
And now we're done.
Pig, you made a rhyme!
Fun done. You're right.
Let's go make more rhymes!
Yeah.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and